Hey, welcome to AutoMailer. In this tutorial session, I'm going to be showing you how to create a template and utilize personalization tokens in your subject line and email body. Now, before we do that, you want to make sure that you have already uploaded your contacts or your email list or your database and it's correctly formatted. Right? For example, here, this is the list that I'm going to be using to pull my personalization tokens from. So the tokens I'm going to be using are my header columns, which are first name, last name, and company, right? So you want to make sure that your list is correctly formatted because this is where the system will pull those tokens from, right? So make sure you have uploaded your list. Then let's navigate to the template section, add a new template, and let's do my list, right? Demo list, get fields. So what get fields basically does, it pulls those header columns, which you can use as personalization tokens, right? As you can see here. So name the template. I'm just going to do demo. That's the name of my template. Category doesn't really matter. This is just for your internal tracking. Let's just do sell a product. First name. You can include a alternate token in case you don't have, let's say, for example, first name data for all of your contacts. You don't want to be sending out as a blank since you're going to be inserting first name. So if you don't have the first name data or a complete data of all of your contacts, you want to make sure that you include an alternate token. So I'm going to be using first name, and just in case, I'm going to do hey there. So in case I don't have first name data for my contact, it's going to do hey there instead of showing just blank, right? How are you? That's going to be my subject line. Email preview is just a one-liner that is below like the subject line. Usually displays in like Gmail or Outlook. There's like a preview of that email. It usually pulls whatever first line you have in your email template, but in AutoMailer you can customize that email preview. So I'm just going to do checking in. All right, then my email body, again, insert first name. I'm going to do hey there as my alternate. Okay. And then my body is going to be how are things at insert. I'm going to do company this time. So your company, in case I don't have that company name. All right. Let's just say this is my template. So my subject line, first name, or hey there if I don't have the first name. How are you? Email preview, checking in. My body, first name, or hey there if I don't have it. How are things at company if you do have that company data, or your company if it's blank. Click on save. It will save the template, and you can now use this template when you're creating a campaign. So let me briefly show you how the template will look like. Create a campaign. Select that email I'm going to be using to send from. Demo campaign. Demo camp. I'll then select that list. Right, this is the list that I'm going to be using. Click on next. I can then select that template I created. By the way, you can still create that entire template in the campaign creation page, so simply inserting first name, preview, and email body. But if you have saved that template here, all you need to do is click on save template. Look for that template. This is the one I have. Use template, and that's it. As you can see, it loads everything nicely. So if I click on next, it will show me like a preview of how my email will look. As you can see, David, how are you? Checking in. David, how are things at AutoMailer? Because that's the data that I have. As you can see, first name and company. These are the tokens that I utilized. Right, hope that helped. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to us Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. We're more than happy to help. Thank you very much.